In front of me is OUKITEL WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. All you need to do is go into Settings and tap on Security and Privacy, to scroll down and go into Privacy section. Now hit Permission Manager, and to manage any of those options, click on the chosen one, like for example microphone. Then tap on an app that you wish to manage, and tap on one of those options. Microphone access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can start Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always select any app and instead of tapping on one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!